Welcome traders, Patrick at Trader, Trading123. Here we're going to talk about trading crude oil here on Wednesday, September 18th, 2019. This is the day that the oil inventory numbers come out at 10:30. So you want to take full advantage of trading crude oil on this day. Now each and every day, the big time frame of crude oil is right here around 9 o'clock. Major move of the day. And basically crude oil here had some news this week regarding drones bombing oil wells overseas, and the price of oil shot up about $5, so it was still pretty much uptrending. And we go into 9 o'clock here, so we start the auto trader in a downtrend. You always start it in a downtrend or uptrend, so when the trend changes, it catches the next wave and some gains. We're trading 3 contracts using a 20-tick stop due to the fast nature of oil inventories. Usually we use a 15, and we upped our profit goal to 640, loss of 280. So we hit our first profit target and our second profit target on crude oil, which were pretty tight because we want to collect profits or make profits in each wave, up or down. So with this settings, we made 5 ticks on this contract and 8 ticks on this one. So that's about 130 bucks. And then this one got out at the top with the automatic trail stop that kicks in and got us out with some nice gains. So if you make $150, $160 on each trend, and you're gonna have no problem making your goal each day. And you need 2 to 3 trend changes to do it. And basically we get a trend change here, a sell-off. It gets short 3 contracts, 58.37. First 2 targets are hit, and then we sell off all the way down to 58.13. So that's a 24 tick profit on the last runner, and we hit our max gain goal. Little slippage, we didn't get to our 640, but this was a fast sell-off right at 9 o'clock and then popped right back up. So we made our first profit goal for the day. So we bank our profits on the first trade, and then we reset the strategy, wait a good 10 minutes for the market. It's peaking here at a high. We start the auto trader, and like I said, we only need 3 trend trades to make some decent money, and we get a leg down, a leg up, and a leg down. And basically we take our profits and run and let the market take a break here, and we'll sit back and enjoy our profits and wait for the oil numbers to come out. So the oil inventory numbers come out at 10:30, and basically you want to sit back a couple minutes and let the market absorb the news, and that's what we did here. Still trading the same targets and profit goal. Market, goes up and down on the news that comes out at 10:30. And then it peaks here, goes up to the high. Trend change, it gets short, gets some gains. On the leg down, our stop gets us out. So we get some profits on the downtrend, and then the reversal, we get our additional profits, and the runner basically, or the last 2 contracts, hit our profit goal. And we're out with $599 minus commission. And this whole trade lasted a whole 5 minutes, and we do this every week with the crude oil inventories. We have a strategy that we will teach you when you purchase the software on how to trade this each and every week, and you see it works, and you can make 1 trade a day and be done, and then come back the next day and trade again. So the market has some powerful moves on crude oil inventory days, and sometimes these moves will happen pretty quick, and the average trader will not be able to get into the trade. That's why the auto trader here, this is trending up, and you're thinking, wow, maybe I should go long, and all of a sudden a couple red candles print, and then it gets short, hits its first and second target really quick, and most traders are still staring at the chart, figuring out what to do. That way the auto trader never blinks, never hesitates. It gets in on a trend change. It knows the trend change. It's programmed to do it. It gets in, the targets are set, it hits them, it makes money, and then the market reverses. So a lot of traders are sitting here, well, maybe I should go long now. And then, you know, it takes off real quick and they get filled up here, and then it goes to here into a double top and the trend changes. So that's the advantages of the auto trader, where it'll get in the trend change probably faster majority of the times than a typical trader, because traders hesitate, overanalyze things, afraid to pull the trigger, and the auto trader is already done. So this whole trade right here, like I said, lasted 4 minutes. And with the fast action news move in the market, you basically get in the trade. Your trail stops are protecting you and your profits, so there's really nothing to worry about or be afraid of. So let's go on to the next trade. So this is another setup which probably most traders don't recognize what's going on here. We're trading the same strategy, same goals. And so the market goes up here, makes a high, makes a pullback. And a lot of traders are probably saying, well, maybe I should go short, it's too late. And then it pops up, and then they get scared, and then it runs off. So basically this is a pullback, and I call this a slingshot trade. And basically the market breaks out above the high here. We're long our 3 contracts. First target's hit pretty quick, and then the second and third, and we get some nice gains. Basically what happened here is, due to the range of the market, I changed the profit goals, made them wider, and it worked out very well. So right here we're up $434, and I could call it a day right here if I wanted to. Been doing this for over 20 years, do it every day. Same patterns repeat, that's what you got to learn. So yeah, this breaks out, we got a nice profit. If you would have had $300 profit goal or $400, you would have been out sitting pretty. So it goes up here, it keeps running. We miss out on some gains because our trail stop basically, you know, got us out, and then it ran up here a little ways. So we missed about 20 ticks profit, but there's no worry when you're using an auto trader, because when it reverses, we're going to get that profit back, and we only need, let's see here. Yeah, we only need about 15 ticks on 3 contracts, or less than that, 10 ticks, because we already made 400 some odd dollars. So in 3 contracts, it basically gets short, hits the profit goal, daily max gain hit, and we hit our profit goal this time. A little slippage to the upside. We ended up with $649.28 after commission, and it was a very good trade. And the auto trader does all the work for you, no second guessing, no missing. And these trades, you know, most people, when they hesitate, they're going to miss them. So it gets up here, it starts making a couple red candles, and they're going to say, well, here, 3 red candles, 4 red candles, I'm going to go short. And the trend is still up, and then you get stopped out. But the auto trader has built-in technology, an algorithm that recognizes the trend and basically keeps the trend in the background green until it changes in the algorithm, and then it fires off a short. So there's really nothing to worry about here. Your stop is up here. You could even make it lower once it starts to go down, and before you know it, you blink, not even a minute, and it hits the profit goal, and you're done trading. It's 11 o'clock. Day's over. You come back and do the same thing again tomorrow. And like I said, I've been doing this for over 20 years, and I do the same thing every day. There's no cherry picking here at Trading123. We trade the patterns, trade the reversals. Same patterns happen every day. If you can't see them, then I guess you need to get educated, because they're right there. Every chart leaves a footprint of what's going on, and you've got to be able to read the footprints and profit from them like we do. So hope you enjoyed the video. Like us on Facebook, Twitter, and follow us on YouTube, and sign up for our push alerts on our website at trading123.net. Till next time, good luck with your trading.